Are you ready to embark on an exhilarating journey towards financial freedom? Picture this, a tantalizing opportunity that could potentially line your pockets with up to $2,500 every single week, all with just a mere 10 minutes of your precious time. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But believe me when I say, it's not just a pipe dream, it is a tangible reality waiting for you to seize. By the way, if you really want to learn how to leave your 9 to 5, then check the description or pinned comment, and that will be your 6-figure blueprint. Now, back to the video. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty details of how you can turn this vision into a tangible stream of income. It all starts with a platform that you're probably familiar with, but may not have considered as a lucrative avenue for making money. Pinterest! Yes, you heard that right. Pinterest, the virtual pinboard that is often associated with DIY projects and recipe ideas. But here's the thing, it's also a goldmine for savvy entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on its vast user base. But before we dive headfirst into the world of Pinterest, let's talk about the media we are going to use today: affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with the concept, don't worry, I'll break it down for you. Essentially, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale or action generated through your referral. It is a win-win situation for everyone involved. The product creator gets exposure and sales, while you pocket the handsome commission without having to deal with the hassle of product creation or customer support. So how does Pinterest fit into the equation? Well, think of it as your virtual storefront, a platform where you can showcase the products or services you're promoting to a vast audience of potential buyers. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment or technical know-how to get started. All you need is a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. That's it, and you're good to go. This is totally doable, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First off, when creating your Pinterest account, keep it simple. Avoid using obscure names. Instead, opt for something straightforward that gets the job done. Once your Pinterest profile is set up, it's time to add your logo. Choose something that looks professional, because hey, you're essentially a salesperson here, and you want to make a good impression. When you share this info, people will look at your name and logo to decide if they want to buy what you're selling. Now, on to the tricky part, posting. What should you post, and how can you attract attention? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about strategy. The key to success on Pinterest lies in creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's eye-catching graphics, captivating videos, or informative blog posts, the goal is to grab your audience's attention and compel them to action. Whether that's clicking on your affiliate link, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. Next, head over to Pinterest by typing it into your browser. Once you're there, click on Create a Blank Pinterest Pin. This will take you to the page where you will be making your post. Now, what are you going to share? Well, you can promote various things or anything else you're interested in. Now, a big part of Pinterest is photos. Videos are going to really help get engagement, but photos are going to help you get clicks really quick. But how do you create content that stands out in a sea of pins? That is where tools like Canva come in handy. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and vast library of templates and design elements, you can create professional-looking graphics and videos in a matter of minutes. No design experience required. But creating awesome content is just the beginning. To really make it big on Pinterest, you've got to be smart about how you get your pins out there and interact with your audience. This involves a few key strategies. Make sure your pin descriptions are top-notch. That means using keywords that people are likely to search for so your pins show up in their results. Think of it like adding the right tags to your posts to make them easier to find. Next, consider joining group boards. These are like communities where people with similar interests share content. By joining these boards, you can reach a larger audience and get your pins in front of more people who might be interested in what you have to offer. And finally, don't forget to engage with your followers. Reply to comments, answer questions, and send messages to show that you're active and interested in what they have to say. Building relationships with your audience is key to long-term success on Pinterest. And the best part? Once you've done the initial setup of your Pinterest account and created your content, it's like flipping a switch and letting the system do its thing. Your pins will keep working for you, driving traffic and potentially generating sales without you having to constantly monitor or intervene. Of course, it's still important to keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working and what isn't, and to make adjustments to your strategy as needed. But for the most part, Pinterest can become a reliable source of passive income, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business or simply sit back and enjoy the rewards of your hard work. So, are you feeling inspired to unlock the full potential of Pinterest and start reaping those sweet, sweet commissions? The opportunity is truly within your grasp. All it takes is a willingness to take action and seize the moment. It's like having a treasure trove waiting for you to explore, with endless possibilities for success. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to dive into this exciting journey towards financial freedom. Whether you're using your computer or smartphone, the tools you need are right at your fingertips. It's time to harness the power of Pinterest and turn your dreams into reality. Think of it as embarking on an epic adventure, with every pin and post bringing you one step closer to your goals. Your future self will look back on this moment with gratitude, knowing that you had the courage and determination to take control of your financial destiny. So what are you waiting for? Let's embark on this journey together, that your future self will thank you for it.